So we're down here in our Atlanta Training Lab, standing in front of our fully installed and commissioned GMV R32 Ultra unit. Here we have a 3 indoor unit setup where we have 2 air handlers and a wall mounted unit tied back to a 3-ton unit. But keep in mind, this is not the only capacity that we offer in the GMV R32. We have a 3-ton, a 4-ton, and a 5-ton. And they're all capable of operating down to minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit.
We can also do these in a 1-to-1 situation or a 1 to up to 10 different units. Having the air handler, the high wall, don't forget we also have a slim duct and a ceiling cassette.
The GMV is really good for changeouts, for new construction install, light commercial, even heavy commercial.
For more information, go to greecommercial.com or reach out to any of your GREE distributors. We're fully stocked and ready to help you.
And remember, at GREE, we're by your side.